Tired of card declines and want a simpler way to shop, both online and in stores? Then let's unlock the power of your Revi virtual credit card and show you exactly how to use it for secure and convenient in-store and online purchases. First, find your Revi card details in the Revi app. This usually includes the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Now, for in-store magic, add your Revi card to your mobile wallet, such as Apple Pay or Google Pay. On Apple devices, open the Wallet app and tap the plus sign, then select Debit or Credit Card. Select Add Card manually and carefully enter your Revi card number, expiration date, and CVV. Make sure all the details that you have entered are accurate and agree to the terms and conditions if prompted. To pay in-store, simply hold your phone near the card reader and authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. It's fast, secure, and contactless. The process is very similar on Android using Google Pay. Download the Google Wallet app from Google Play Store and follow the on-screen instructions to add your Revi card, then tap to pay anywhere that accepts contactless payments. If you are shopping online, you can use your Revi card details at checkout just like a physical card. Simply enter your card number, expiration date, and CVV when you are prompted to do so. Remember, your Revi virtual card offers enhanced security. You can freeze it, set spending limits, and monitor transactions right from the app. So ditch the plastic and embrace the flexibility and security of your Revi virtual credit card. Happy shopping!